Hey guys, what's going on? As you can probably tell right from the start, this isn't Anthony's house. We're not at the Ecom Street official office where we've always been filming with the sign and stuff. Clearly, we're back at my house because we're all practicing social distancing, just staying at home, not going anywhere really. But he did give me the camera for the weekend, so I thought, why not make a quick video before the weekend? Of course, we can't be together and film those videos. We still do have a couple piled up that we'll still be uploading on the channel, but up until this quarantine's done, it's gonna be like one video of me, one of him, we're gonna switch back and forth. But in this video, I kind of want to do something that like not many YouTubers really do. I think it's long overdue for us, just on behalf of Ecom Street. So stay tuned, it's gonna be super quick, I think a minute or two long, and I'll see you soon. Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, guys, welcome to Ecom Street. My partner Anthony and I are just two people that love doing e-commerce. We love helping people. We've been doing this for almost 2 years now. We just love e-commerce and dropshipping. If this is not your first time and you're returning, guys, welcome back to the channel. This video is actually about you. Since the summer of 2019, when we first actually started this, in around June or July of 2019, it was kind of a rough start. We had no subscribers, no following on Instagram at all. We were kind of just posting videos with our very low quality camera that we had from Anthony's dad, actually. I think it was, I don't even know what the quality was, but it was very bad. And then as time went on, we kind of got slowly got better at uploading. We actually got a new camera. We made the free course. So if you haven't seen that, definitely go watch that free course on our channel. And a lot of things have happened in these past couple months. And just to bottom line it all, we just want to say thank you. So unfortunately, Anthony isn't here to do it with me. Maybe he'll do one himself. But we both just want to say thank you to our audience, for watching us, for trusting us. Rather you like our shit or you don't, or maybe you do really like it. I know a lot of you guys love the Instagram posts, so we're constantly doing that. But even the YouTube videos, we want to make sure you guys love it. So if there's anything that you really do like or don't like, don't hesitate, comment below just so we can hear, feedback. I don't care if it's the worst comment in the world and you guys absolutely just punch us in the face. Go for it. We want to hear what our audience is thinking. Vice versa too. If you love something, just say it and we're going to try tripling down on it. But regardless, guys, just bottom line, thank you. We really do appreciate it. Not every single YouTuber, gets to wake up and just have an audience DMing them, commenting on their videos, saying good content, guys. And now we have the responsibility of that. So, of course, we're not getting millions of followers and comments a day, but even just one single comment really goes a long way. That one DM from one of you that just says thank you or ask us for a question and we answer and help you guys out, I don't know, it just really fulfills me. So I'm really happy about that. And that's literally it, guys. So hope you're all staying safe in quarantine. Right now is the best time to get into dropshipping. Facebook ads are kind of back, if you will. Like they weren't ever really gone, but in these past couple months, I'd say from like December to like March, they were kind of just a little weird, but now in April, they're actually really solid. CPMs are lower, CPPs are lower. So if you've been debating about getting into dropshipping, there has literally never been a better time. Regardless though, maybe you're just watching us because you love business. Thank you to you as well. And that literally wraps it up for this video, guys. Throughout this week, we're going to be uploading the rest of the videos we have and grinding out more videos one-on-one most likely. But just be sure to stay tuned on our Instagram as well for all those funny memes. We actually had one that was really funny go up the other day, so check that out and we'll see you soon.